St. Paul's School, Barmer was founded in the year 2003 to provide an all-round education to all sections of society regardless of caste, creed or financial status. The students are prepared for CBSE examination at 10th and 12th level. The school is a Christian minority institution managed by Roman Catholic Diocesan Education Society Ajmer in collaboration with a dedicated and competent staff.
Education is the name of our attitudes, actions, language, behavior and personality in real life. Early childhood education is the key to the betterment of society. Education forms character, strengthens mind, increases knowledge and makes us independent. Education is reform of our human mind. The human mind was made to be trained, and without education, a person is incomplete. Let us encourage our children to seek true education. Thank you.
The focus of the school is to promote methods and process that enhance holistic education. The teachers and staff members believe that students can learn and meet high standards of learning, and so the students offer an ambitious and rigorous course of study. And of course, there is strong teamwork among the teachers. Research-based teaching strategies are used. The staff members understand the role of assessment and then evaluate the students' work. Teaching in St. Paul is focused on extensive development of the students aligned with the school's vision and mission.
The role of a teacher is to teach students not only to repeat but also to develop their imaginative skills. We teachers are equipped with best pedagogical practices so as to become the change agent in the life of a student as well as in the society.
We at St. Paul's believe that the purpose of education has to be preparation for life. Apart from academic excellence and apart from holistic education, it is very important for next generation leaders to have entrepreneurial mind. An entrepreneurial mind is not strictly in a business sense. It is about initiative. It is about risk-taking. Innovative, it's about embracing failures, celebrating failures, and finding big opportunities in big problems.
हमारे संस्थान का उद्देश्य विद्यार्थी को उच्च कोटि की शिक्षा उपलब्ध कराना है। हम शिक्षार्थी विद्यार्थी की अभिरुचि, दक्षताओं व क्षमताओं को पहचानने में, उसे जीवन में सही व उचित व्यवसाय चुनने में यथोचित मार्गदर्शन प्रदान करते हैं। हमारे विद्यार्थी का सर्वांगीण विकास हो, यह हमारी शिक्षा की प्राथमिकता रहती है। हम हमारे विद्यार्थी को में आत्मविश्वास से परिपूर्ण, आत्म अनुशासन से युक्त व देश प्रेम से लबरेज होने की कला सिखाते हैं व प्रेरणा देते हैं। हम हमारे विद्यार्थी को एक विराट व्यक्तित्व से युक्त जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनाते हैं जो देश के विकास में अपना सकारात्मक योगदान दे सके व हम जिस पर गर्व कर सके व कह सके ये मेरा शिष्य है।
Today, it is among top-ranked school in Barmer with the motto Seek, Endure, Discover. A vision to create global citizens through traditional values of love, empathy, discipline and respect. Welcome to St. Paul's, where every child matters. Our campus is a safe haven. Our smooth class sizes ensures that every child is allowed to grow as an individual and every child enjoys a learning experience which is safe, stimulating and fun.
When I reach the school at 7:30 a.m. in the morning, the school is already buzzing with conversations, ideas and energy. I still can't believe I've got the opportunity to study in this campus. The teachers here are very caring. The classes have not more than 45 students, so I get a lot of personal attention in terms of academics. We also have a wide area of extracurricular activities. I want to be a civil servant, and this school has allowed me to dream big. St. Paul's is one school with many things to explore, and I'm glad I've got 2 more years to experience them all.
We know that young children learn through play and exploring the world around them. And every classroom is rich in resources and exciting learning opportunities. Meanwhile, our curriculum ensures children develop the key skills necessary to be successful and happy as they grow older.
St. Paul's education is defined by rigorous, intense inquiry, developing the mind to learn across discipline, academics, entrepreneurship, service, music, arts, and sports. This is what makes the school distinctive.
A unique child-adult ratio means that no child is left behind or forgotten. And our qualified and experienced teachers use the very best practice to bring learning to life every single day.
I like coming to school because it is fun. I like my teachers because they teach me new things.
By the time children reach our primary school, they are brimming with enthusiasm to learn and are equipped with all the skills necessary to make huge progress. Again, our classroom ensures that every child's needs are identified and met. We offer a creative curriculum which directly impacts the curiosity and creativity of the children, ensuring that the learning is always relevant, engaging, and enjoyable.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Being a proud Paulite, I can say that St. Paul's School has never left me dull. Complementing my academic growth, it laid equal stress on my holistic development. I realized its value only when I stepped into the outside competitive world. With interactive classes, knowledgeable teachers, a friendly environment, and lots of innovative co-curricular activities, St. Paul's School helped me to mold myself into a confident person and gave wings to my talents. Therefore, whatever I am at present or whatever I'm going to be in future is the hard work and creative ideas of St. Paul's School. And there is no doubt that St. Paul's is the best place for the complete development of a child, and I'm extremely happy to be a part of that family.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank respected fathers, sisters, and all my dear teachers for giving me this opportunity to speak about my school. When we were in school, our teachers were like our second mother, and they always treated us like their own kid, and they laid the foundation of our education. They were always there to clear our doubts, and they motivated us to do better both in academics and in co-curricular. They help us in our boards and paid extra attention towards us through extra classes and various test series. And I would like to thank all the co-curricular activities which school conducts, like annual function and educational tours, and all the class-wise and house-wise competitions, which helped me build confidence inside me and removed all kind of stage fears which I had. Also, the school taught me to be disciplined, and which helped me to be a better person. Thank you.
Secondary students have their sights set firmly on the future. Our academic results are exceptional, and we are lucky to have some of the most gifted and talented students in the city. We are also proud of our different academic pathways, and we are called to offer to every child a program suited to their abilities and interests. Our students mold themselves into every aspect of school life, whether it's our excellent range of activities, trips, or through the many opportunities for student leadership. We are determined to develop all-round student. Through the Learning Wellbeing Committees in primary and secondary, or the house captains, we help keep our house activities so vibrant and fun. Our school gives young musicians training and place to practice and perform. In our secondary school, advising support are never far away, whether from our expert school team or highly experienced school counselors or advisors. Our students always get the right advice from the right person at the right time. Welcome to St. Paul's Barmere, where every child achieves a potential.
St. Paul's School, Barmere is
revolutionary, innovative, challenging,
leading,
transformable, invigorating, intellectually demanding, futuristic. St. Paul's School pushes you to give your best every day. St. Paul's School is
who we are.